Hello people, we have mac and cheese. No dairy, no animals. And the greatest car in the whole world, the Batmobile. The Adam West version. No, Batman.
To the Batmobile. Let's go. Atomic batteries to power. Turbines to speed. Roger. Ready to move out.
I did this as a tribute. I pulled it out of its box. So, it's no longer a collectible, but it's collectible to me. So, it had to be done. You couldn't keep this beauty in the box. Jeez. Get into this. Yummy. Batman was a TV show that ran for 120 episodes from 1966 to 1968. Atomic batteries to power. Turbines to speed. Roger, ready to move out. Yum, yum. Adam West, who played Batman in the 60s, was born in Walla Walla, Washington. He had 3 wives. He turned down the part of playing James Bond in Diamonds Are Forever. Which was pretty noble because he considered James Bond to be only played by people of British area, I suppose. George Barris built this beast. He built it in 3 weeks. It was originally meant to be a '59 Cadillac, same car as the Ghostbusters car. Bugger that. It was based on a 1955 Lincoln Futura concept car. It's got a 390 cubic inch V8 Ford motor in it, and the Batmobile's a Ford, essentially. This is nice. In 1966, they brought out a Batman feature movie, which Commodore Schmidt-Lap's famous invention is captured by the United Underworld, and they dehydrate the UN. Batman fights off a shark with a can of bat repellent, shark repellent, bat spray, pretty fishy what happened to me on that ladder. You mean, where there's a fish, there could be a penguin. Wait, it happened at sea. See? See for Catwoman. That exploding shark was pulling my leg. The Joker. All adds up to a sinister riddle. Riddler. Riddler? When I was a kid, I used to dress up as Batman, run around the park, slide down the bat pole. I loved it. It was my favourite TV show when I was a kid. I wanted to be Batman. In the car, got a bat phone. It's got a bat extinguisher, bat seat belts. It's got a cool steering wheel. Has ejector seats. A jet turbine out the back that shoots flames. 2 parachutes and rocket launches out the back. And it's got cool mag wheels too. I suppose you're only familiar with the new Batman movies, Michelle Pfeiffer. Huh. The only true Catwoman is Julie Newmar, Lee Merriweather, or Eartha Kitt. And I didn't need molded plastic to improve my physique. Pure West. And why doesn't anybody do the Bat-2C anymore? Remember the Bat-2C? Ooh, ha, yeah. Adam West played Mayor Adam West in Family Guy. Even today, people reckon that this is the best Batmobile ever made. I'm inclined to agree. Oh. There's some pretty good ones out there. What's your favourite? This is my favourite. The premise of Batman is he witnesses his parents getting killed in front of him. They were gunned down. So he swears vengeance on all criminals. So he dresses up as a bat, to scare people. And plus he's a normal guy, so needs a car for getting around. And what better car than this? The Batmobile. So yummy. Oh. Jeez. Please subscribe. Please like this video. Share it. And leave your comments down below. And I'll see you all later. Batman to the rescue. Let's go.